Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to be going over downloading and setting up Aitum Vertical real quick. Head on over to aitum.tv, top left click on Products, then Vertical. Wait the few seconds for the download to start, then run the installer. If you still have OBS open, you will need to close and reopen it for the Vertical plugins to completely install. Once OBS has been opened up, Aitum Vertical should be open alongside your main canvas, but if not, go to the Docs menu right at the top of OBS, and near the bottom should be a bunch of new menus, all starting with Vertical. Let me quickly set up a new scene for our standard OBS window. I'm going to name it Main. Aitum Vertical makes it super easy to transfer existing scenes over to a vertical format. Now that I got a new horizontal scene set up, let's move over to Vertical. On the bottom left, you should see Vertical Scenes. Click the plus button at the bottom of that, and let's choose the same type of capture I used for my standard scene. In this case, I use Display Capture. When I hover over Display Capture, two options will appear. I have New for setting up a brand new source, and I have Main, which is the horizontal source I set up just a moment ago. Clicking that pulls the data from the horizontal source right into the Vertical Preview window. I can go ahead and move it anywhere I need it to go and add other sources should I wish to. And that's about it. From here you can set up other sources and scenes, enable backtrack to quickly create clips, and set up Aitum Multistream if you haven't already. If you haven't already, head over to our Discord, aitum.tv/discord. Thank you for all the support you have all given us. We are about 1 million downloads on Aitum Vertical, and we'd like to thank you all again for that. Have a good one.